Brought to you by paulakers.net. Hey everyone, where we left off last, Muhammad made a great suggestion. No ambiguity with the date. We made the change. Then the next thing you know, Alex sees it and he says, you know what? I travel 1,000,000 miles a year. I want to know where the freaking lounge is. Where is the lounge? So we added the lounge, we added the restrooms, and we added Starbucks. Imagine that. Then somebody sees this video on YouTube, and guess what they said? What about, you got it, pre-check. What if I'm pre-checked? We added pre-check at the gate symbol because that's right when you would ask the question, am I pre-check or not? Look how beautiful this ticket is. Never stop improving. Brought to you by paulakers.net, where you can find all my books and resources on my website, paulakers.net, for free. You can even get my new app, 2-Second Lean Play, where I have all my books available in 9 languages in the audio format, designed for you to listen while you work and play at paulakers.net or Lean Play.